I'm your English teacher Ragini Tiwari, and we have already started the third chapter, Retrieved Reformation of class 8th. And we have already covered in our previous video some portion of this story. And today we are on page number 16 and about to start this story. So let's begin without wasting time. Jimmy went to the Platters Hotel, registered as Ralph D. Spencer, and engaged a room, and he leaned on the desk and declared he had come to Elmore to look for a location to go into business. How was the shoe business now in the town? Was there an opening? As Jimmy went to a hotel, Platter's Hotel, he entered in a hotel and he registered there with a fake name himself. What name he has told to the clerk? He told that his name was Ralph D. Spencer. And one more thing, he also asked or inquired to the hotel clerk that he was willing to open a business, a shoe store business. He wanted to start. So how was it? How would it would be? The clerk was impressed by Jimmy's cloth and manner. The clerk was very impressed by Jimmy's personality and behavior, as he observed. Yes, and he answered in positive. There ought to be a good opening in shoe business. That if you are willing to start a shoe business, it will be good for you. Mr. Spencer would find Elmore a pleasant town to live in. Mr. Spencer started liking this city, Elmore. That's why he decided to settle in the city, not only because of the city, as he already met to a girl named Annabelle, and he was attracted with that girl. That's why he decided to change himself. So this is going to this we are saying this could be the turning point in his life, and he was going to be in a new leaf. Mr. Ralph D. Spencer remained in Elmore and prospered. As already Mr. Spencer had started his shoe business and he became so rich, he got so profit in this business, he opened his shoe shop and secured a good run of trade. Good run of trade means he was in a good business. Okay, his business was in profit. So he opened a shoe shop, so his business was in good profit, a good business. Socially, he was a successful and made many friends. He made many friends in Elmore, and he became so successful person socially in the Elmore city. And he accomplished the wish of his heart. He fulfilled the wish of his heart. What was his wish? He met Miss Annabel Adams and became more and more captivated by her charm. He regularly used to meet Annabel's Adam, and he got attracted by her beauty, by her charm. At the end of a year, after completing 1 year, at the end of the year, the situation of Mr. Ralph Spencer was this. Here, the Mr. Ralph Spencer condition was changed. He had won the respect of the community. How it was changed? He had won. He already gained lot many respects in Elmore city, from the community, from the society. His shoe shop was flourishing. His shoe shop was getting good gain, and he and Annabelle were engaged to married in 2 weeks. They were already engaged. Their engagement has been done, and their marriage will be within 2 weeks. So one day, Jimmy sat down in his room and wrote this letter, which he mailed to the safe address of one of his old friends in St. Louis. So Jimmy wants some change in his life, and perhaps he had taken some decision. So what kind of decision he has taken? He wanted to reform himself. That's why he wrote a letter to one of his friends in St. Louis, who live in St. Louis. What he wrote in a letter: Dear old Paul, be at Sullivan's place in Little Rock next Wednesday night at 9 o'clock. He conveyed in this letter to old Paul, who is Billy Paul. The name of the friend is Billy Paul. He said that, dear Mr. Billy Paul, be there at the place, Sylvan's place in Little Rock. Sylvan's place, which is situated in Little Rock, be there in next Wednesday night. I'll be there to meet you. I want to make you a present of my kit of tools. He wanted to give his toolbox to his friend Billy. Spencer wanted to give his toolbox to his friend Billy, as I have quit the old business. Means Spencer had decided to quit from the old business. He decided to leave that burglary profession a year ago. Before a year ago, he had already decided to change it with his business. It's the only life, the street one. Be sure to be at Chili's, for I must see you. Means you should be there. Please be there. I'll come to see you. I'll bring along the tools with me. I'll come with my tools to meet you. Your old friend Jim. So students, in this whole paragraph, as Jimmy has already started a new life, and he was willing to settle there in Elmore City, and he wanted to get married with Annabelle, as he was in love with her. That's why he was converting in a new leaf. His personality was reforming there. So he has decided to turn his life in a new way. So this is all about in this video, students. Listen carefully, and we will continue this story in our next video. Bye bye.